You want to be gentle when you do this because these are fragile, but I do want to get it attached. So I do want to make sure it's in there really well. Let's do that one more time. There we go. All right. Now I can take my paint, and I'm going to go ahead and paint all the parts that I've missed, and I'm going to add my balls. Let me grab my fondant and I'll show you how to do that. So now that we've got these in and we see where we are, I can take my fondant and I'm going to make 2 balls for the bottom, and I'm going to put those on there, 1 on each side. And sometimes it helps to take the, if you want to get it to keep, because if you try to jam them on there, you see they lose their shape. So if I use this one, I can make the hole and put it on there like that. And then we're going to do the top ones like this. Let's go ahead and make the hole. And this is why we always have extra paint. Don't throw your paint away because you need to paint these balls now that you see where they are. And sometimes you see that you have a little extra here, so you can put feet on it. You can take your fondant like this, and I would make just a strip like that, and then it looks like it has actual little feet on there. Like this. So you don't see the rest of the rope, or the rest of the dowel. All right, and I'm going to do that back here on these back parts, and then I'm going to paint it, and I'll be back to show you the finished piece. And there you have it, your very own little bed that you made, and you can eat too. If you want to try something a little different, you can get unsalted pretzels and build your bed frame from the unsalted pretzels. All you have to do is a little bit of royal and piece them all together, and you can make curlicues with the curlicues of the pretzels. So that's up to you. That's the easier way to do it. I like to do it the hard way. But anyways, this is a great little cake for a bridal shower, or maybe a sweet 16, or maybe, I don't know, if somebody's having a baby and you want to show the scene of the crime, this would be a good cake for that. So anyways, have your bed, make your bed, and eat it too.